There are two types of defects which can be observed in rolled products. First is the surface defect and second is the internal structure defect, out of which the surface defects or the surface based defects can be noticed or can be monitored by naked eye. These kind of defects includes scale, rust, scratches, cracks, pits and gouges. These defects occur due to the impurities and inclusion in the original cast material, that is the billet or the bloom, or various other conditions related to material preparation and rolling operation. Next is the internal structure defects. This kind of defects are like wavy edges, zipper cracks, edge cracks, alligating folds and lamentations, out of which wavy edges and zipper cracks occur due to bending of rolls. Now this bending of rolls we have already discussed when we were talking about cambering of rolls. Let's revise it here itself. Now, when a material is passing between two rolls, the rolls itself act as a straight beam which is loaded transversely due to the rolling loads and so undergoes deflection. Due to this, the edges of the job get compressed more than the central portion. That is, the edges are thinner than the central portion, since the reduction in thickness is converted into increase in length of the strip. The strip elongates more at the edges relative to the center. However, the material is continuous, and to maintain this continuity, strain within the material adjusts, and there are compressive strains on the edges and tensile strains at the center, as you can see here. Because the edges are restrained from expanding freely in the longitudinal direction, wavy edges on the sheet or the plate or the work material result. Under such conditions of the ratio of the mean thickness to the length of the deformation zone, the strain distribution might lead to cracks in the center of the sheet. These cracks are known as zipper cracks, and these zipper cracks can also occur due to poor material ductility at the rolling temperature. The remedy to avoid this kind of defect is to provide a camber to the rolls, that is, their diameter is made slightly larger at the center, or we make the rolls convex in shape.